that would be the point where I'm like, yeah, I'm probably not going to come back tomorrow.
Ready? Yes! Yes! Hey Nathan, man, I just accepted Christ. Man, I feel awesome. I just feel the Holy Spirit. There's one problem.
What?
Dude, I don't know how to pray. Like, somebody showed me how to accept Christ, but I never knew. I never was ever taught how to pray.
Well, it's easy. First you have to remember that God is a big God.
Big God.
And that He gives us blessings, okay?
Right.
You want these blessings.
Yeah.
So you pray like this. You go, give me. And I try.
Give me.
No. You gotta make wide so or else you miss them. Give me. No. You have to keep your hands, your fingers together. Across the slip through. Try again.
Give me. I was like, yeah, give me. Oh, hey, what's up, Dad?
Hey man, what are you doing?
I'm praying. Yeah, give me.
And that's not praying.
What? You just showed me.
That's not praying.
Then what is praying?
Okay, in order to pray, God's a big God.
Yeah,
You know
big
that?
God.
And we're really small.
Yeah.
And we sin and do bad things.
Okay.
So we have to ask God to help us.
Yeah.
Put down our knees and to go, help me. Okay? Ready?
So help me.
No,
Help
get
me.
down.
Help me.
No, but get it from your chest.
Okay.
Help me. There you go.
Give me. Hey, Justin. How you doing? I'm praying. Help me. Give me.
Praying. That's not praying. That's praying.
He told me that was praying, and the other kid told me that was praying.
That's not how you pray.
Okay.
Alright, want me to teach you how to pray?
Yeah.
Alright, first you gotta understand God's a big God.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
and we are at war with Satan. So we have to
War.
go, war!
Okay. So, war!
No, you gotta get your stomach into it. War!
War!
You gotta get your arms into it too. You gotta go, war! War! There you go. War! Give me, help me. War! Give me, help me. War!
You alright? Okay? What are you doing?
I was tired. I was praying.
You're praying.
Yeah.
Like,
So,
that doesn't look like praying.
yeah, I got a war.
No, that's
Got
not
any water?
No, I don't have any water, but that was not praying. Right? It's easy. It's really, that looked really hard. Praying is really easy.
It is?
Yeah. It's just like talking like we are. That's all praying is about.
Okay.
You want me to teach you?
Sure.